Well, guys, it seems that the floor plan issues are not just affecting Dodge. I'm trying to see if I can catch up to this truck. A floor plan company just went by a Kia dealership here and basically repoed a bunch of vehicles. I was like, there's no way I'm seeing this right now.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
I'm looking to see if I can find this truck. The guy from the dealership was talking to me here for like 15 minutes. And he wasn't going far. He was sitting here. He just pulled off, man. Damn. Anyways, it wasn't a ton of vehicles. It was only 6. But the argument between, I'm guessing, the general manager and the guy with the truck was hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. He's like, no. To the point where Las Vegas Metro PD ends up showing up. So I find out about it because I'm literally like, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes in this dealership. And somebody that works there who's a subscriber here on the channel shoots me a message on Instagram and like sends me a couple little clips and is like, got to get up here. There's a truck up here. And they're like taking SUVs, Kias from our dealership. And I'm like, what? I was already out. You know, I in a previous video, I was going out to dinner. I was like, let's go see what's going on. And sure and shit, yeah. Evidently these, I don't know if they were Sportages or mid-size SUV. One of them still had the white plastic and stuff on it. Like, they didn't even, like, peel it off or prepare it, I guess. It was sitting in the back. And evidently, it sat long enough that you know, they didn't make those two payments, evidently, on the floor plan. Now, again, this is coming from the employee. The general manager wouldn't even talk to me. He was pissed. And, oh, there goes one of the the other Kia employees right there in their Kia. Oh, shit. I shouldn't laugh, but it's funny. Because the chickens are coming home to roost for dealers. And for you guys that are always up my ass going, you only talk shit about Stellantis and Dodge stuff. No, I'm an equal opportunity hater. I hate on everybody equally. And seeing this Kia dealership get cars repoed from them was absolutely made my day. Absolutely made my day. Anyways, I wish I could have seen the damn truck. I wanted to catch up to that truck so you could see them on there. Because they even put stickers on the window of like what, I don't know if it said notice a repo or whatever, but they're going somewhere. Oh, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll probably post this as a bonus video. This made my day. Love to see it. You know, when they don't want to come off prices or do dumb shit, and this Kia dealership that is here does that. They do exceptionally dumb shit. And they've been trying to get people still for over sticker and all kinds of shit. And I'm glad. I hope. And again, it's 6 vehicles. Like, it's not like it's their whole lot. But if it comes down where a floor plan company has audited them and took those 6, how long do you think it is before they take more? Just saying.